Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm going to be focused on the main floor living areas of my house, the entryway, kitchen, dining, living, and family room, and ultimately doing an end of the week house reset. So if you guys are looking for some cleaning motivation, make sure to stay all the way through and clean along with me. Give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing before you leave.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through.
Before I started cleaning any of the rooms, I really wanted to throw in a quick load of laundry. And like I've mentioned in my past video, I have literally been on top of my laundry routine. So basically I do a load and fold a load every single day. And it has really helped me out. And because Riley's playroom is literally right off of the laundry room, I figured I would start back here and work my way to the front. There wasn't too much that needed to be done. I literally just had to clean up all of her toys and put them away. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. My name is Nia and I'm a working mom who shares real life, everyday messes. So on my channel, I post tons of cleaning and organizational videos along with quick and easy meals for busy moms. So if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and make sure to introduce yourself in the comments so I can personally say hi.
That sad tattoo you're trying to hide. I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight.
If you guys are in search of a new vacuum, then definitely get your hands on this new Elect Home cordless vacuum. I've had it for a little over a month now and I absolutely love it. Down in the description, I have a 40% off coupon for you, which brings it to under $100.
We got this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications.
Making my way into the kitchen, I had just finished up lunch, so the leftovers that I have in this bowl, I'm going to throw that into the fridge for later, and then I'm going to take all of the dishes out of the dishwasher, put those away, and then add all of the dirty dishes in the sink into the dishwasher. I feel like this is literally a never-ending cycle.
Just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
enjoying today's video so far, please go on and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out and lets me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. And also, if you are cleaning along with me, then tag me on Instagram because I love sharing it on my stories.
Closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control.
To wipe down my countertops, I'm going in with my Fabuloso and water mixture. I get tons of questions from you guys asking what exactly is in this bottle. And basically, I poured in 1/3 of the Fabuloso in the lemon scent and the rest water.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch 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 all night. Tell me why'd you have to Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Epiphany rising, got it all wrong. You see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care.
Earlier on in the day, I had gotten 2 Amazon packages and Riley and I had fun opening them up. I'm so excited to try some of the new products that I picked up. It was definitely one of those like random Amazon orders. I picked up some citric acid because I really wanted to make Riley some bath bombs. Right now, I've been using the Crayola ones that I had picked up from Target, and those are amazing. She really enjoys them, but I figured we might as well just start making our own and save more money. I even saw on Pinterest you can kind of like hide cute little like toys or treats for the kids, so I'm thinking about doing that as well.
False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a
Does anybody else leave a can of disinfecting spray right near their front door, so this way any new packages get sprayed down immediately before bringing them into the house? I know this is definitely something that we have done ever since COVID hit. We are also purchasing more things online, so it's almost like there's a package every single day. So it just makes it so much easier to keep it right near our front door.
savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, oh.
This is a room that you guys really don't see too often in my videos, and this is our dining room, but during the week we typically hang out in here. I'll get work done, Riley does crafts and things like that. So I'm basically going to clear off the table and put everything away.
Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me,
Thankfully, the family room wasn't too bad. We honestly didn't even really play in here too often this week. We did play some board games. Riley's favorite game right now is bingo, so I'm going to clean that up and then vacuum the floors.
Ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do.
For more cleaning motivation, make sure to check out all of my cleaning playlists. I have them linked down below for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and please consider subscribing before you leave. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.